Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 146. So if we start with this row, looks like we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got no help here. 2, 7, 9. We've got the 2 here and a 9 here. So that makes this our 7. That 2 makes this our 9, and this is our 2. For this box now, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 7. I don't see any other help. So 6, 9, 6, 9. For this column, looks like we're missing a 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 1 and 5 here, so 6. 5 here, so 1, 5. For this box now, we need 2, 3, and 7. We've got a 3 here and a 7 here, so 2. 7 here, so 3, 7. For this column then, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. To finish out this box, we're just missing a 6. That 6 makes this our 9, 6. For this row now, looks like we're missing 3 and 8. And I don't see any help. So 3, 8, 3, 8. For this row, looks like we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 here. So 5, 9. A 5 here, so 7, 9, and a 7 here, so 5, 9. So that means the only place our 7 can be is here. For this row, looks like we're missing 1 and 8. And I don't see any help. 1, 8, 1, 8. For this row, looks like we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here. So 1, 2. And that 1 makes this our 8, 1. For this column now, looks like we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 3 and 4 here. So 7. That 3 there. 4, 3. For this box now, looks like we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 there, so 1, 2. For this box, we're missing 7, 8. We've got a 7 there, so 8, 7. For this row, looks like we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. To finish out this box, we're missing a 1. For this box then, looks like we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got a 4 and 6 there, so 9, 6 there, so 4, 6. This 9 makes this our 5, 9. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. That 8 makes this our 3 and 8. And to finish out this box, looks like we're missing a 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 and 9 here, so 3, a 5 there, so 9 and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.